My name is Kimberly Guerrero. As a graphic designer, the style of my design is simple, clean, and to the point. I believe design shouldn't be only about aesthetics, but should involve a creative and communicative way to deliver a message. Most of my works begin by rough sketches. I like the raw quality it creates because it adds a personalized touch to my work. I consider myself to be a multifaceted designer because I have the ability to work and explore new media and create different styles in my designs. Each project entails many layers and complex ideas, even though the final result may look simple. Graphic design surrounds us, the morning newspaper, television, even our clothing. Graphic design is used as a means of identifying a brand, selling a product, or creating awareness for a specific cause or social issue. It is a visual means of communicating. Milton Glaser once said, "There are three responses to a piece of design: yes, no, and wow. Wow is the one to aim for." The works of artists Jim Dine and designers Milton Glaser and Saul Bass are great examples of this. They motivate me to challenge myself every day, both as an artist and a designer. I aim for the clear, to the point, and finished look of their works. I often incorporate different mediums in a single project. Some of these include but are not limited to painting, drawing, serigraphs, and photographs. The uses of these mediums allow me to design in different ways other than graphics, and help me understand the final look. It is important to experiment even if you're bound to fail. For example, in my poster for the 2015 annual Juryd Student Art Show for the University of Texas at El Paso, I decided to use watercolors to mimic a splash of paint. The final look consisted of this watercolor splash and a well-rendered bitmap drawing of a judge's mallet. These were combined as if the mallet was smashing the paint in order to emphasize both the art student and the jury part of the show. In this project, I decided to incorporate a watercolor background with a thick brush marker outline on top. The colors red, yellow, and blue were the best solution for this painting and drawing summer camp, hosted by the Rubin Center at the University of Texas at El Paso. This camp concentrates on teaching painting and drawing to high school students. This poster appealed to high school students because of the simplicity and rough final look of a summer icon. This project for the Youth Department of Theater and Dance is a great example of how I explore new media to create different styles in my designs. In this project, a play had to be advertised. The mysterious feeling the Christmas Carol play creates was captured by a black outline around the poster, produced by a bitmap of a scanned brushwork. The protagonist was portrayed by an illustration of his hat. The three supporting characters, the three spirits, are floating next to the hat. These were portrayed around the hat as three energy spheres. This poster was created by combining brushwork, drawings, and illustration. My body of work is mainly about resolving a problem with a little humor. For example, in my Right to Decide poster, created for the 2015 Poster with a Borders exhibition, I incorporated three different party hats. These hats are playing words and represent the American political parties. Two of the hats represent the actual political parties and are decorated with red and blue embellishments. The third hat is a white cone with a D drawn on top, the dance hat. The copy reads, "It's up to you, make an informed decision." The poster created awareness on how everyone has the right to decide and whether or not one should vote. Sometimes, political topics may seem overwhelming, and we often try not to get ourselves involved at all. Because of this, I decided to engage the audience with a humorous illustration. Although they're fun, they also have the power to make you think about your decisions, to vote or remain a dance. It is important to understand every aspect of a project in order to come up with the best solution possible. Whether it is in print, online, or television, from a logo to an advertisement, graphic design is the process of taking an idea and transforming it into a visual image. It is important to build up a concept to deliver a message in the most powerful way. Graphic design surrounds us, and good design always communicates.